Hello there, this is Tech House. Yesterday was the Apple's first event for the year 2022. Let's have a look what sorts of product it was announced last day. New member in the iPhone 13 and 13 Pro series. It's kind of a little greenery in the environment. And the next product was the new iPhone SE, which comes with Apple Bionic A15 chip, which is the same chip which was used in iPhone 13 series. New iPhone SE comes with 5G and with great camera computational photography features. It is like we are getting M1 chip in most of the product. The all new iPad Air comes with M1 chip with the same design which we saw last year, but with new color variant. This new iPad Air starts at $599. The most exciting part and the highlight of the event was Mac Studio. It is built in such a way that it pulls the cool air from the environment and ejects the hot air from the exhaust with the help of thermal cooling. It comes with M1MAX and M1 ULTRA chip. Basically, M1 ULTRA is the combination of two M1MAX which can deliver enormous performance to the desktop. Mac Studio with M1MAX starts at $1999. Mac Studio with M1 ULTRA starts at $39.99. The last product was the Studio display with 5K resolution. It is provided with a stand which can be adjusted according to the wish. It starts at $15.99. These were the product which was announced last night from the Apple. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, stay connected and subscribe to this channel. Peace.